Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here on the Norwegian Getaway. I'm still in Manhattan, we haven't left yet. I'm getting ready for the sail away party, which I believe is on deck 15. We should be shoving off any minute now. That sail away party is supposed to take us past the Statue of Liberty and a couple other places, and they're going to do some dancing and some music, and I'm going to check it out, so I'm going to head upstairs. You ready? Put on your party hat and let's check it out.
From the beautiful island of Jamaica. Everybody say Yaman. If you're ready to have a great vacation, let me hear say Yaman. All right, well, before we get started with the party, we're going to kickstart with some fun people that you're seeing down front. And we have some free t-shirts to give away with you. The first
This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck. And a shout out to Deborah Camacho, who found Clarice the Miss America crown in my last Atlantic City video, Burger Challenge number 2. Congratulations. I feel the need to say here that these people obviously aren't dancing to the music that you're listening to. I couldn't play the music that they're dancing to. It's very popular music and some line dancing music as well, and pretty much songs that we all know, but I can't play on the video. So I did the best I can. They're not bad dancers. They're just dancing to a different beat. We are underway finally. We're leaving the island of Manhattan behind us and heading out to the open sea. This party, the sail away party, started at about 4:30, and lots of people were busy unpacking in the ship or eating or doing one thing or another. Not so many people here to this afternoon on the sail away party, but the one this evening, the welcome aboard party, was much more well attended, if you will. But nonetheless, I made it up here and I was having a great time. Of course, the Statue of Liberty. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. Behind me is the Verrazano Narrows Bridge. It connects Staten Island to Brooklyn. This is the Staten Island side. Heard some of that cheering. It's because we just went underneath the Verrazano Narrows Bridge, which means we pretty much left Upper and Lower New York Harbor, and we're heading out to the open sea now. And that's pretty much it for the sail away party. Tonight is a bigger party right here where I am right now, Spice H2O deck. It's adults only. It's going to be a lot of live music, a lot of fun and drinking and shenanigans going on here tonight. I'll bring you that video as well. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you guys soon. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.